Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new video. The product we are going to unbox and review in this video is the Diamond Rings Motu Patlu edition. Again a Motu Patlu branded food product here. Today it's from Diamond, and these are Diamond Rings. So these are corn rings here from Diamond, and the masala flavor. The flavor is masala flavor that we are going to try. And again we get a toy along with this Diamond Rings packet. So I am waiting to see what is the toy that we are going to get in this. So let's start with a review of the product. Overall packaging, first of all, looks pretty neat. There's a blue color. So they have used multiple colors here: green, blue, yellow, and the diamond branding right on top. Then the rings, that is the product branding here. Then it mentioned that these are baked, not fried. So calorie conscious people, these are baked and not fried. So lesser oil and lesser calories, I guess. So there is a Superhit toy inside. So there is a toy inside this packet. The flavor is mentioned here, which is the masala flavor. Then here are the toys that you can get inside. They are shown here. Like there's a parachute jumper. There is some, I think, glue toys and an aeroplane. I can see a flying fan, a car, a mouse, and various other toys. So quite a few toys are there in this. So let's see which toy we have received in this packet. Moving on, there's namkeen, which is a type of product. It's a namkeen. There's a statutory warning given here: just play with the toy, don't eat it. So if your kids can read it, well and good. Otherwise the parents should know that kids shouldn't be eating the toy. Again, here's the Motu Patlu characters here, Motu and Patlu, as seen on Nickelodeon and Wood Kids. So this is the packing right here in front of you. This is what we are going to unbox and review today. Moving to the back side of the pack. Here we have for feedback, contact us on various addresses and email IDs here. The different licenses numbers from FSSAI. This is a product of Pratap Snacks and Chipper Snacks Private Limited as a company. The net weight of the product is 13 grams and it is priced at ₹5. So quite reasonable pricing here, and the shelf life is 4 months from packaging. Now again, demonstration of the toys that we get here. Hit it with Superhit toys. So you get a finger shooter, glow sticks, and push racing car, eagle shooter, and that's the different toys that they are mentioned here. Then the ingredients of the product is mentioned here. The nutritional facts are here, and then there's the barcode, various things written behind. So let's get to the main thing. Let's go ahead and unwrap this product, or let's open it up. So we are just going to tear it open right now. First thing first, let's search for the toy. Within the pack, let's search for the toy that we have got. So yeah, here's the toy that we have got. So we have got, looks like a rocket. I don't know. Okay, it's a finger shooter, toy finger flyer. It's a finger flyer, toy finger flyer. So we will unwrap this toy and see how it is. But before that, let's look at the corn rings itself. So these are the corn rings from Diamond Rings. So these are the corn rings. So since they are baked, they are not very oily. You can see there's very little oil on my fingers. It is leaving. So well coated with masala and looks really crispy and nice. So can't wait to taste it right now. So here is the taste test of the Diamond Rings. Nice and spicy masala, crispy corn rings, very nice. It melts in the mouth. If you keep it longer, it will melt in your mouth. And it has a very nice masala flavor. If you like spicy food, you will like the masala flavor here. The Diamond Rings. So similar to other rings that we get, like other corn rings that we get of different brands like Cracks and I think Balaji and many other brands have come out with corn rings. So similar in taste, the masalas are similar in taste, quite crispy and nice. So I would give it a 4 out of 5 for the taste and the quantity and the pricing of the product. So overall it's a 4 out of 5. If you want to have corn rings, you can definitely try the diamond ring. It's not bad, it's good. So yeah, that's my review about the diamond rings. So the corn rings are good. Now let's go ahead and look at the toy. So here is the toy that we have received. We have received 2 finger shooters, finger flyers here. We have received 2 of them. So let's see what it is. So it looks like a missile here. So I don't know how does it work. I think they are given a instruction as well. We have the instructions as well here inside the packet. चित्र के अनुसार आपको खिलौना मिलेगा। रबड़ को प्लेन के छेद में बांधो, रबड़ को उंगली में फंसाइए तथा प्लेन को दूसरे हाथ से खींचिए। Okay, so basically it means put the rubber band, tie the rubber band inside this here and then put it in the finger and release it. So that's how it works. So basically this is the toy that we have received. So we have received 2 finger flyers with the diamond rings, diamond corn rings. So yeah guys, this was my review about the product. I like the corn rings, I like the toy that they have given with it. Very simple, very nostalgic and going back to our childhood where we used to play with these toys. So yeah, overall I feel the diamond rings is a good product because it is baked and not fried. So calorie conscious people also can have them. Like it's not really oily. So very nice tasting corn rings here from Diamond and very reasonably priced at ₹5. So guys, if you have liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing food reviews.